Alright guys, welcome back to MacCustoms. Had an earlier video showing putting a light bar on this bike here. The audio wasn't very good. I just wanted to give everybody kind of a quick rundown on what's going on. To start, what I got going is from the factory headlight switch in the machine here. I took power off that to over to my switch that controls the light. When I press the switch, that triggers the relay that I have hooked up under the hood there, turning on the light. To get from the switch I installed out to the relay, there's several wires like this running in and out of the cab already, factory. And you can find the other end of these up underneath your dash. So I took my power from the switch that I installed. I took power from the factory switch to my switch out through one of these wires, which triggers this relay. And then the relay is connected to ground here and power here for the supply to the light. And that way I didn't have to run any more wires in or out. We're all the way to the battery. This is a boost location. Yeah, that's about it. And today we took that old light bar off and we put these yellow lights on. I just figured it'd be a good time to show everybody what's going on. And I think I also took ground off this post here. You can see that minus, and this one's got a positive on it here. And I ran a ground back into the cab to get to my switch. And that's basically it. And the reason I got it hooked up to the factory headlight switch like that is so that I get the delay when I can leave the lights on and these lights to stay on with the headlights for a second. That's them on with my switch. I'm just going to turn the key like I was getting out of the machine. I'm hooked to the red wire coming out of the factory switch up in the top right corner of that switch. That's the constant part, which allows you to have these lights on without these and vice versa. But basically that's all there is to it. Power from this switch, factory switch, over to whatever switch you're going to use. From that switch, over under your dash, you pick one of these wires. You're going to hook into that, come out here. You're going to hook that into, if you got a relay like this, it's going to be into your blue wire. Connect them. And then your main power are going to go to these. And then the black and red coming out of your relay is going to go to your light or your light bar, whatever it happens to be. Like I say, these wires going in and out of the cab, they're a big help when it comes time to do this kind of stuff. These cabs are sealed up pretty tight. Anyways, that's how we hooked up these these two lights here. And if you got any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.